has been exactly around 2 years now that we have set for the formation of the Telangana Chamber of Events Industry right here in Hyderabad. We thought of forming this organization called the Telangana Chamber for synergizing the energies, the best practices which are followed in the state of Telangana for the events and entertainment industry.
The years gone by, the activities done by the members as well as non-members, but related to the fraternity, related to the events, related to the supporting associations, whatever they have done, whether it is the PEA entertainers or PECA caterers or the sound and light or the supporting agencies or the event managers, anybody. The idea is if they feel they have excelled and they have done something worth of mentioning and they want to showcase to the world through this platform, they can apply for it, they can come forward for it, they can tell us, and through us they can tell the world, yes, this is what we are, this is what we can do, this is what we are doing it, this is what we want. Please recognize us. This is the opportunity for everybody, whether he is a member or whether he is a non-member, to apply and get himself project what he wants to be and what he has done. That is what we are looking. We are happy to recognize their efforts as well as their initiative, their enthusiasm. That is where we are the platform. The TCI is supporting everybody. Please join us as member or join us as non-member. Choice is yours, but come forward and showcase what you have done in the last 1 year.
This year we expect the event to be a grand gala extravaganza. Don't miss it, friends. This is an opportunity wherein you can showcase your works, your talent, your practices of management that you have been doing. And mind you, the awards will be a platform wherein we will showcase the inherent potential energy that Telangana as a state has for the events and entertainment industry. This is an earnest appeal from all of us. Do participate in this awards and make yourselves and make Telangana proud of what it is. Thank you.
Neeraj, we have been part and partner basically in MICE Industries also, and we have been partner in the FICCI initiative also, where we are talking about the common interests of our members as well as the improvement of the total industry.
It is a very short time that TCI has started, and the results are yet to be seen, but already the trends have started. We have been very instrumental in approaching different industry organizations like what Sir said, FICCI, like the HITEX, like the FAPSI, FTAPSI, the Federation of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry. All these organizations today have recognized TCEI as a truly representative body of event organizers in the state of Telangana, and the day is not far when we will be having our presence felt throughout the South India and as well as the country.
We are also invited basically in Singapore and Bali, where Neeraj has visited, and we are tying up with them, and maybe some events we'll be hosting or we'll be participating in that country also. Our association is ready to support about the information as well as the other points, whatever, wherever they feel or the members are feeling that it is required, the chamber is ready to assist it. Try to use each other's capabilities so that the whole industry can grow.
I would like to inform all of you that TCI has opened up a facilitation center at the HITEX TFO building, first floor, where for any of your needs, any of your queries, or any of your business related solutions, you can visit the office. You can have a face-to-face discussion with the office bearers of the chamber, and you can get your doubts clarified as well as get solutions to your problems.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.